Today we want to look at this quadratic identity, third quadratic identity, which states as a plus b into brackets, another bracket a minus b, this identity. So we want to understand how do we use this identity. Before we continue, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and also in YouTube. Thank you so much. Now, previously we said quadratic identities are very important because they are shortcuts. Yeah, they are shortcuts because they help us to work out quadratic equations without following the long routes. The identity number 3, it is not complete, you have to complete it. A plus b bracket a minus b bracket, this is how it is completed. You just come and write a square minus b square. That is the second quadratic identity. It is also called a difference of two squares. It is called a difference of two squares. Now, how do we apply it? We want to see examples on how we apply this identity of difference of two squares. The first one is we are asked to expand 2y plus 3 into brackets 2y minus 3. Yes, so we have that kind of an expression we're asked to expand. So as you can see, this is a difference of two squares. Instead of going the long way, we can apply the identity. We can apply this identity. We saw in this identity a plus b bracket a minus b bracket is equals to a squared minus b squared. So what do? Just square the first part of the element. If you take the first element, which is 2y, you square it. What will you have? 2 squared is 4, then y squared is y squared. Okay? Then look at the identity the way it is saying. Next is a minus, so you write minus. Take the last element in this bracket, which is 3. 3 squared is what? 9. So you write 9. By doing this, you have expanded simply using the quadratic identity number 3. Can you see this? Very, very easy. Very, very fast and very easy. Let us go to the example 3. This was example A, example B. We have y plus 2x, y minus 2x. We are supposed to use the quadratic identity. Okay? We are supposed to use the quadratic identity. If we apply the quadratic identity number 3, what do? We understand that we have to square the first element, which is y square, then write minus. We write the minus. Then the last element in the bracket is 2x. If we square 2x, what do we get? 2 squared is 4. X square is x square, so minus 4x square. What is that? We have applied the identity to work out that problem or to expand that expression. The last example, 2 over 3y plus 5 over 2x. Let me put minus here so that people may not think it's all the time the plus that comes first. Then we put the other one here, 2 over 3y plus 5 over 2x. So look at that. We have a fraction one. We have an expression involving fractions. So we are supposed to do what? To expand, and we have to apply the quadratic identity number 3 so that to avoid a lot of working. Okay, a lot of working consumes a lot of time unnecessarily. Now let us see what do we do. We are going to apply the quadratic identity. So take the first element in this, that is 2 over 3y. If we square this one as the identity suggests, if we square 2, we will have 4. If we square 3, we will have 9. And if we square y, we will have y squared. So here we have 4 over 9 square. The next thing we know, we have minus. That is our minus. So we take the last element in one of the brackets. The element is 5 over 2x. If we square this element, what do we have? 5 squared is 25. 2 squared is 4. X squared is x squared. So we come and write 25 over 4x squared. By doing so, we have applied the third quadratic identity to expand quadratic expressions. We can also apply this idea even when we are doing what? Solution of quadratic equations. We can apply this idea. Alright? Now, up to that point, I think you have understood. I want us to do some assignment. So that's our assignment. Our assignment concerning the quadratic identity number 3. Once you are done with the assignment, kindly send your answers to the comment section of this video. Thank you so much. We meet another time.